If you're seeing the upload blocked error on OneDrive, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Office loses connection to your Microsoft account, OneDrive is full, or your sync settings need a quick reset. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it in just a few minutes without losing your file. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Office app where you see the upload blocked message. This could be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or another Microsoft Office app. Once the file is open, check whether you're signed in. If you see a sign-in prompt, click Sign In right away. This is important because the error often appears when the app is not properly connected to the Microsoft account that's linked to your OneDrive. Now make sure you're using the exact same Microsoft account that is connected to your OneDrive storage. If you have more than one account, it's very easy to be signed into the wrong one, and that can cause upload issues. After confirming the account, try saving the file again. If the app asks you to save it to OneDrive, go ahead and do that since the error may simply be caused by a temporary sync problem. If the upload blocked error continues, the next thing to check is your OneDrive storage. Open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. Once you're in, look at your storage usage and see if your space is full. If your OneDrive is at capacity, new files won't upload properly. Delete any unnecessary files you no longer need. And don't forget to empty the recycle bin if it's holding deleted items that are still taking up space. After freeing up storage, go back to your Office file and try again. If that still doesn't solve it, you may be dealing with an Office sync issue. Open any Office app, then click File and choose Account. Under Connected Services, find OneDrive. Sign out of OneDrive from there, then sign back in using the correct Microsoft account. This can refresh the connection between Office and OneDrive and often clears the blocked upload message. After signing in again, restart the Office app completely. Closing and reopening the program helps apply the new account connection and refresh the sync status. Once the app is back open, try uploading or saving the file again. In many cases, that alone will fix the problem. If the error still keeps coming back, you may need to unlink OneDrive from your PC and reconnect it. To do that, look for the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. Click it, then click the gear icon to open settings. From there, go to the Account section and choose Unlink this PC. Confirm the action when prompted. This disconnects the current sync relationship and gives you a clean reset. After unlinking, sign back into OneDrive again with the same Microsoft account, then let it resync your files. Once the connection is restored, check whether the upload blocked error has disappeared. In a lot of cases, a fresh sign-in and resync is all it takes to fix stubborn OneDrive upload problems. So, to recap, if you get the upload blocked error on OneDrive, start by signing in to the correct Office account, confirm your OneDrive storage is not full, refresh your connected services, and if needed, unlink and reconnect OneDrive on your PC. These steps solve the issue for most users without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.